Hello everyone, I'm Richard with Osa Tropical Properties. Today we're here at my new listing in Chontales, Costa Rica. This is a beautiful brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath home right around 2,000 square feet with stunning views of Cano Island, the Sierra River, mountains, and you can see 5 different river mouths from here. Let's go check it out. As you walk in, I can't emphasize enough how great the breezes are in this house. As soon as we come in, we open everything up, making this very comfortable to sit inside without needing AC. We've got a very functional kitchen, beautiful teak ceilings, as well as this is a solid construction house. You can tap on these walls. This house is very solid. We have very nice granite countertops, cedar hardwood cabinetry. Your kitchen flows seamlessly outside to the terrace. This is where you're going to be spending most of your time, sitting out by the pool and enjoying this spectacular view. In front of me, we're looking right at the Sierra River, and we can see several points where it lets out into the Pacific Ocean. You can see the rocks out in Drake Bay over into the Osa Peninsula. It gives us a lot of diversity out in the water, and this way we're going to have sunsets pretty much all year long from this property. We've got a door going to the outside so you could walk around the sidewalk to the front of the house, so when you're coming in from those beach days, it makes it easy and convenient for you. We have 2 very nice guest rooms, all with the same custom furniture. We've got a custom full-size bed, nice storage space. So from this guest room, we've got the same ocean view that you get from your terrace. Very nice, comfortable bathroom with nice finishings. You have the window up top to give you great airflow along with the fan. Eventually all this will fill in and this will be a lush garden bedroom. Let's go check out the master. We've got a queen size bed, custom built to fit for the room. And we also have a full size walk-in closet. Of course, the master wakes up this incredible view that you get from the terrace. The mountains, Drake Bay, Cano Island, sunset, the great airflow. You get it all from this room. Here we've got a nice closet off to the side. We've got a very comfortable bathroom, dual vanity, nice hardwoods, great finishes, very large shower. This is very, very comfortable and also handicap accessible. Here is our driveway, very easy driveway. We're all on one level, makes it very user-friendly. Another thing that I'd really like to point out is all of the water management all around protecting the property. Landscaping has just been planted. It is very young. This house was just finished, and after about 3 years, you're gonna have a fully lush garden out here. Chontales is closer to a lot of the ecotourism that people visit the southern zone for. From here, we can see Drake Bay, Corcovado National Park, the Sierra Bay River, where a lot of the tours go out of the Sierra Bay to get to Drake Bay or the National Park. Chontales is one of the largest master plan communities here in Costa Rica. There are 6 different developments up here, several different home sites, and more commercial sites, so this is designed to be its own functioning town one day. If you're interested in a brand new house with one of the most diverse views in Costa Rica, please click on the link below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.